Hi there, my name is Mark. I was a teacher for 20 years and this channel tries to give teachers videos that they'll find useful in their everyday working life. So if that's the kind of content that you would like to see, then please subscribe to the channel. So this video is about how we use CAPITA Sims to allow us to take students out of a class but not take them out of the class completely. You'll see what I mean when we get on with the video. So let's get into it. Okay, so when we use this alternative curriculum, it's called where we take a student out of one class, put them into another. So when I was teaching, we had some students that required physio within a department. So they came out of my lessons and went into the physiotherapy session. So that would be a way of allowing them to come out of a session, be on a register somewhere else, and therefore they're accounted for. So if we come into the student record, so I've just searched for a student. You can see down here I've actually added some user-defined fields, which you can have a look at in the video that I'll link above as well, how to create those. But if we then go over to the student curriculum, it will then bring up their timetables. So I'm just going to choose from today. And this is their time. These are the groups that they're in. And then if I click on the second tab, this is their timetable. So it might be that we want to say on a Thursday, period 4, actually there's some physiotherapy that's happening and they need to come out of their English class and into the physiotherapy. But they don't want to come out of all of their English classes because they're still going to be in that group. It's just that one particular session we need them to come out of. So you can add an activity at the top here. So I click on add activity and then I've got it on alternative because they're alternative to what you would normally be doing. Click on search and you can see there I've got a list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things that I could put into that particular session. None of them match what I need, so I need to go and create that. So I'm just going to cancel out of this. Now to do this, what you need to do is get the timetabler to put this onto the timetable software, Nova in this case, and they add the alternative curriculum session into Nova and allow it to be available at particular periods during the week. So this is the program. I'm going to go to data and I'll go to alternative curriculum. And you can see here are those sessions that we had the choice from. So you can see these are the 5 sessions that we had available for us to choose. None of them meet what I need, so I'm going to create another one. So I'm just going to click on add and we're going to call it Physio. You do need to attach it to a subject. So if I've got something like tutor groups or tutorial or support, so I'm going to put it on support. And then if I've got always active, that means it will be on any particular day. I don't want it always active, I want it on a Thursday period 4. There it is. So you click on the physio, you can see there it's been created and it's linked to the subject support and I've got nothing on here. So I'm going to go and find Thursday period 4. I'm going to make it active during that period. I'm going to give it a member of staff. So I'm just going to say that's Unwin. I'm going to give it a room. Let's just say that it's going to take place. You'd obviously have something set up in here for it in the support centre. And OK, that is now there on the timetable ready to go across. So I'm going to send that timetable across and come back to you once we've got that activity into the MIS and we can choose it for that student. Okay, so I've transferred that across into Sims, so it's now there ready for me to put into the timetable. So I'm back on the timetable and I can add an activity. And then if I search again, Physio is at the top and you can see here it's only available on a Thursday period 4. If I tick them in, that takes them out of that class. And you can see here where it is, who it's with. Click apply and then OK. And you can see now that that student has been put into Physio Thursday 4 with Mr. Unwin in the support centre. And you can see as I hover, it says they've been removed from this period from English, so I can then see where they have come from. If I then click on there, you can see down in the bottom corner here you've got the 2 sessions, and I've ticked into Physio. If I want them to then come out of there and go back into English, I would just click on the English class there. So that's a really quick and simple way for you to bring in students to a different class, even though they're within the English class in this example, so that they can be on a register for another member of staff, so they can be registered effectively. Hopefully you found that useful. If you have, please give it a like and come back and see what we've got next time. Thanks very much.